Ni hao, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. I'll show you how to write color-related characters in traditional Chinese. It's the third video on how to write colors in traditional Chinese. I'll show you blue and indigo. They have more strokes and might be complicated to write. No worries, I'll provide step-by-step instructions and also character decompositions. Besides, I'll give you bonus content, so stay tuned to the end and find out what it is. Okay, let's grab your pen and start writing with me. Before I start to write, I would like to share with you the number of strokes for the most frequently used characters. The average is around 8 to 9 strokes, and I'll make it as 3 stars. If there are not many strokes, it's 1 star. On the contrary, if it's complicated, 5 stars. I'll show the ones with more than 3 stars twice. 蓝 means blue, and let's divide it into 2 parts. The upper part is 草, means grass. Its shape is like grass. 草 is a widely used radical, often shows on the top of characters. I suggest you remember it. When you see 草, you may guess the Chinese character relates to grass. For example, the indigo plant is one of the sources of indigo dye, and 蓝 relates to grass. The lower part is 监. It means to supervise or control. It's phonetic of 蓝. Dian means indigo. Let's divide it into 2 parts. The left part is 青, which means green or green-blue, relates to plants and indigo dye. 青 is the radical of 电. The right part is 定. It means stable. It's phonetic of 电. Before the end, I'd like to talk about 草 and 青. We learned 草 from 蓝 and 草 means grass. 青 in modern usage can be green, such as 青菜, which means vegetables. Do you notice that there's a 草 on the top of 菜? 菜 is vegetables, and that shows 菜 relates to grass. 青 can also mean blue, such as 青天. Tian is the sky, so 青天 is blue sky. Yay! It's the end of this week. Do you like it? We learned so much in this video. Since the characters are not complicated, I only introduce you 2 each week. Let's check them again. They are 蓝, 电. I'll show you violet and brown in the next video. If you find my videos are informative, welcome to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.